Sorry. That was a good one. Who's that?
That was me.
Nice.
I got big ones.
Dude, my 6-year-old has man burps. He's like challenging me for the throne.
He'll grow into it like a puppy with big paws.
Dude,
It's a sign of how large he'll be.
he's a super picky eater. He drinks chocolate milk. He eats like cheese and like peanut butter crackers.
You'd really expect it to be coming out the other way.
Crazy burps from this kid. And we're trying to get him to say, excuse me. And I have my hand on his shoulders. And I feel him like shaking. It's because he's laughing so hard at his burp. You think it's like the funniest thing in the world, Dan.
You got to be proud of that, actually.
Dude, I look at my wife. I'm like, this is guy stuff. I wouldn't expect you to understand.
Yeah, exactly.
Under the table, you're teaching him to say, "Witness me."
Yeah.
Witness me.